Hey y'all, it's Crazy Pop here, and boy, we have a good one for you today. I recently went to the local amusement theme park here called Carowinds, and they're having their Christmas thing called Winterfest. And one of the food items that they have is called Apple Pie Nachos. Sounded amazing. I said, I gotta go check these things out. I seen a picture of them. They looked amazing. Then I tasted them. Wow. All I can say is wow. Them things were delicious. So good that I wanted to come here and try to make them myself, to see if I can even come close to how great these things turned out. So that's what we're going to make today. We're going to make some apple pie nachos right here on this Blackstone. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We have a lot of fun here. You can't never tell what we're going to cook, never who's going to show up. You don't never know what's going to happen here. We do a lot of new things first time right here on this channel. We don't try a lot of things out firsthand. So if you got something you want us to see us try and maybe fail at, can't never tell, hit us up. Let us know. We'd love to know that. If you've been here, I can't say thank you enough. We're growing, and it shows, and it's all because of your support, and I thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I thank you. So now we got to get fired up. We got to show you some groceries, and one more thing, go look down below, and our link tree is down there. Takes you to all our great other social media channels and accounts and what have you, including our TikToks. A lot of fun. So go check all that out after this video. All right, y'all. I think I want to go low all the way across. I really do think that's what I want to do right now. If we adjust, hey, I'll let you know. Now here is what we're going to be using. What I did is I went and got me some flour tortillas right here, as you see, the smaller ones. Got me a stack of them. I think they said there's 10 in that stack. Use as many as you want, it don't matter. I have some cinnamon sugar here I made up. Season it to taste. You know, if you want a bunch of sugar, you know, more cinnamon, whatever, make it like you want. I have some sprinkles here we're going to use. I have some melted butter here. I have some apple pie filling. And let's see, we have some vanilla bean ice cream. We have some extra creamy whipped topping. And that's it, y'all. It's going to be that simple. The griddle's ready. So let's go ahead and put our apple pie filling, topping, whatever you want to call this stuff, on the griddle. Get it warming up while we go ahead and prep this tortillas too. So let's just set these down right here. Get them to warming up. Let's prep these things. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just take one at a time and just coat it in butter. Like this. Just good coating of butter on both sides. Like that there. And yeah, I must just stack them up as you like this. So let's get all these covered in butter, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do. All right, we got them tortillas buttered up. Now let's cut them up. Now we got that good coating of butter on everything. What we're gonna do is just go ahead and slice this up. Like so. Now if you want to, you can make smaller pieces, like I think I'm gonna do that again, like right through here. Like that, yeah. And there you go, you have nacho chips. Isn't that amazing? So there we go. Now we can throw them up on the Blackstone just like that. Now before we start placing these chips up on the griddle, we gotta stir this topping, or this filling, what are you gonna call it? Look at that, it's already bubbling, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, that's what we want right there. Ooh, that apple smells good. Just grab a handful, I guess. Just lay them on here. I really don't think it's going to take long for these to cook. On either side, all we're trying to do is just crisp them up. I'll have a lot more than I need, I don't know. All right, y'all, you see how many chips are on the griddle already, and that ain't but half of them. So we're gonna get these going, and hey, we might make some more later, but right now I'm gonna go with these. That apple pie filling's about ready. And y'all look at all these chips we have up here. All right, they've only been on about maybe a minute. Let's go ahead and flip them. Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect, y'all. It's gonna take a little bit to flip all these, as you see. Look at that golden brown they are. Oh yeah. I'm liking this. Now don't forget to keep stirring that topping too. I think that topping's about ready. I'm gonna go ahead and just slide it over here in a little cool area. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut this side off right there. Just look at that right there. That's gonna be some good eating here in a minute. These are starting to cook up pretty good. Let's go ahead and slide them all over to the cool side. We got them first batch of chips done. I gotta try one out real quick. Oh, perfect. This is good. Don't have the cinnamon sugar on them yet, but hey, we gotta go ahead and cook this second batch real quick. Let's get them on here. Okay, second batch is on and cooking. Once they get done, we're gonna get this thing put together. Time to flip them already. Look at that. One quick tip, if you notice the nachos right here in the middle are cooking quicker than the ones on the outside, move them around. Move them around as you need to do. It don't matter. When they start getting done, toss them over there to your cool side. As you see, this has still got a good heat to it. Uh-oh. Let's put it back over here. Let's season these chips, y'all. To get you a good bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and put it right here on the Blackstone. Do it on the table, wherever you want to do it. And just take your chips and just dump them in the bowl. You know, this kind of gives me an idea for another video I might just do. I might have to work on something here. Might have to get my brain thinking about these chips and other uses for them. There we go. This is that nice crunchy chip. Y'all look at them chips right there. Don't them things look good? Oh, we left one back here. Get you in there. All right, now I'm gonna take this cinnamon sugar, mix it in here, toss it around, get each chip coated good, and then we can ready to build us some nachos. So take it and just sprinkle it around. How much you use is completely up to you. However you want to do it. Now what I'm looking for is, I don't know if you can see it or not, I hope you can. You see how the chips have some coating on them, some, you know, some a little heavier than others. That's all right, man. Look at that coating on that one. Yeah, as you just move them around. So coat them as thick as you want them. That's completely up to you. Now what I recommend is, take one, try it. That's good. That's real good. Now, chips are done, pie filling's heated up, got me a plate, get you a bowl, whatever you want to build your nachos with, it don't matter. Can you build nachos wrong is what I want to know. Get your plate, let's put some nacho chips down. However you want to put them down, you can make them awesome and pretty, whatever, it don't matter. Make them nice and ugly, it don't matter. Just put a bunch of them down. Like so. Taking some pie filling. Oh boy. That looking good already. I don't know about you, but that is looking really, really good. Take all that pie filling, cover it up. Now, just in case you're wondering, this is canned pie filling. You want to use some fresh, by all means do it. This equals 1 can what I put here. Y'all gotta look at this up close already. This is, it looks great. Just look at that right there. Now that is some good looking pile of mess. I mean, it's good like it is, but we're not done yet. Now just to show you how much this makes, there's a lot of chips left. All right, you know what I think I'm gonna do? I think I'm gonna take a little bit of cinnamon sugar and just light sprinkle over them apples. But now we gotta add the good stuff. Get your big old heaping scoop of ice cream. Put right there on top. Look at that, look at that. Don't forget the whipped cream. Make it nice and pretty all the way around it. Look at there. But we're not done yet. Whipped cream on my finger. Put some sprinkles on there. Now, we have some apple pie nachos. Look at that, would you? Y'all, look at that mess we done did made up on this Blackstone, boy. Man, that cinnamon sugar chips, cooked extra crispy, them hot apples, whipped cream, that ice cream. Man, this all came together perfectly. There they are, y'all. And guess what? I have a crowd showed up for these. I have to try it first before they do. Ha ha. They're freaking good. Yeah, it's exactly what I was going for. I don't know why the rest of them over here waiting. They ain't getting none of them. You want to try them? Uh-oh. Here, try them out. Here. I'll set them down. They can try them out. But before we go, be sure to like, subscribe, comment. These boys are getting hungry. Turn around and say that.
It's good.
It's good. They're busting.
Yeah.
Hey, bitch to it, Bryson. Y'all got some ice cream on them? Get over here, boy. We got one not want to get over here. Look. Uh-huh. Yep. See, anyhow, y'all like them? There you go. There you go. Seal of approval. If you can please the teenagers, you done something right. So try these out for yourself. Let us know what you think. We'll see you next time.